What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Got some great news. I just left Tate's house, I don't know, 15 minutes ago. Anyways, I'm on my way to Cameron's. We're gonna go pick up the small block for my Nova. That's right, the build is continuing. We got the 406 ready. We got all the parts sitting up at Dave's shop. Shout out to Dave Mullins up at the River City Speed Shop here in Napoleon. It is a blessing. This guy hooked me up with all the parts. I got a couple grand of parts just sitting there. This is all gonna go into the engine, make everything possible for me, and the guy's even gonna help me build everything. And that's I can't really do it all by myself. But no, anyways, let's get right at it. Alright guys, so we just got to Cameron's now. Oh, and I'm hearing noises and there's like animals everywhere. Look at this guy. What's up, my guy? Hey. Oof. We got this one. I found a few more. Honestly, I'm kind of worried about them.
Oh, shit.
What up, Cameron?
Oh fuck, I thought I heard someone pull up.
Oh, I'm here to party.
Oh shit. Party hardy.
Oh man, oh man. Shoot. How's the hood look? How does my beautiful hood look? Oh, it looks awesome.
If only someone would have sanded it better. Maybe you'd get some of those little bumps out.
All right, guys, so we just got the engine in there. Cameron did a great job on the... Say what?
You want to do that tire push back some? Is that fine?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Use the forklift. We used the forklift actually with a bunch of ratchet straps to get it off that stand right there. And there she is, the largest small block money can buy. She's gonna get revamped, but I gotta take it up to the shop to get that done. Cameron over here on the fork is gonna push it in for me a little bit here. We don't want to go too far, because then it's gonna be a pain to get it out. All right, go ahead and push a little bit.
Nope, it ain't giving.
It ain't happening. That's fine.
Unless maybe. If it had a rim, it would, but.
Yeah.
You wanted a rim, man.
Well, let's hope this works out okay. I mean, damn. But anyways, we're about to take off to go to my house. We're gonna go grab a Turbo 350, put that in the bed with the engine, and then go to Dave's shop. We were able to actually move it by ourselves. I just kind of lifted up in this tire and it kind of scooted. So we're going to go ahead and take off to Dave's shop, and then we're gonna, well, I think, get everything done. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. We got the engine and the transmission dropped off like, I don't know, 2-3 hours ago. We're gonna start working on these bad boys right here. This is the lower control arms. We got bushings, we got ball joints, we got Tate. Gotta work on him too, so, you know.
Oh, are you? Can I get
I'm gonna set you guys up with a little time lapse so you guys can see what's going down. We got the headlight bezels all painted up real nice and pretty with some nice clear coat just to protect it for life. Over here we got the control arms all done, painted nice and black to match the rest of the car. But yeah, long night, long hours. We got freaking a Volkswagen we're trying to lower over there. It ain't working out well, right, Tom?
Don't have buy fucking Volkswagen. I mean, you can. They're fast. They're cool. But
they're a bitch to work on.
when you have a car with 142,000 miles, and it looks like this suspension's been sitting for like 80 fucking years,
Don't do it.
don't do it.
And have
Take
a
it to
friend at all
fucking
times
mechanic.
that knows how to fucking do it. Or just have a friend that has a shop and a kid that knows what they're doing, like that had a Volkswagen.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and have a great night.